tin pot dictator. And so, the spirit of
Ang ating
I hope and I am quite confident that the charges of murder and attempted murder will be confirmed. And these hearings will bear out that former President Duterte indeed planned, organized, induced the commission of extrajudicial killings and other high crimes in the Philippines.
to proceed with the trials and for the ICC to convict Duterte.
Fear from these tin pot dictators, from this tin pot bureaucrat capitalist system, from this tin pot justice.
That the system, our justice system in the Philippines, sucks. From our hearts, when we say that we are honoring
We cried a lot. We suffered a lot, especially the elder brother is already married with 4 children that I am supporting now. That's why even though I'm already old, I am still working for my grandchildren. Well, we are hoping and praying that the confirmation of charges will pursue, although Duterte will not appear.
Suporta sa amin, sa Duterte Panagutin Europe at sa lahat ng mga
Impunity is still there in the Philippines.
Pagkakataon na ito na nagkatipon-tipon tayo dito at maipakita natin